මේ ඕන එකක් 80යිද?
නෑ 75යි 80. ක්වොලිටි වෙනස් තියෙනවා රසත් වෙනස් තියෙනවා.
මේ 75යි මේක 80 ඒක 85යි.
ටෙස්ට් එකයි.
Hi, I'm Shatiksha. I have a passion for traveling, exploring new places, tasting delicious food, and connecting with people from all around the world. I'm excited to share my adventures with you. So come along on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my travel videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to visit the beautiful Maldives, you're probably already thinking about all the amazing things to do and see here. But did you know that shopping in Malé can be an experience on its own? Today, we are going to explore where you can find great deals on popular items like tuna, cheese, chocolates, cosmetics, and much more. Let's dive right in. So, first up on our shopping list is the STO Shopping Mall. If you're looking to buy some essentials or even some high quality goodies, this is the place to be. Compared to Sri Lanka, items like tuna, cheese, chocolates, and cosmetics are a lot cheaper here in Malé. If you're planning to grab some of these items, I highly recommend you head to STO Shopping Mall. It's a well-stocked, offers competitive prices, and you'll definitely find what you need. Now let's talk about the local markets. If you're in Malé and want to pick up some fresh vegetables, fruits, or Maldivian fish, you're going to love this spot. The local market, which is just opposite the fish market, is where you'll find all these items. Vegetables and fruits here are a bit on the expensive side, but that's expected with all the import costs. But here's the good news. The Maldive fish is way cheaper than what you'd pay in Sri Lanka. You can get a good quality Maldive fish for around 70 to 85 Maldivian rupiah, depending on the quality. The highest quality Maldive fish will go for around 85 Maldivian rupiah. Not bad, right? If you're Sri Lankan, this is definitely a great deal. Here's another cool thing. Many of the locals here speak Sinhala as well, which makes it super easy for those of us from Sri Lanka. So, no language barrier when you're shopping here.
මේ ඕන එකක් 80යිද?
නෑ 75යි 80. ක්වොලිටි වෙනස් තියෙනවා රසත් වෙනස් තියෙනවා.
මේ 75යි මේක 80 ඒක 85යි.
ටෙස්ට් එකයි. ඒක රාරසයි පඩු. සුවන්න බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක්.
ඒ සුවන්න බෑ. කොහොමද? දෙදේ.
किलो का कितना 500 की अरका 500
මේ මොනවාද?
මේ මාළු සොස්
මාළු සෝස්.
tuna බැලුවද?
ඔව්. රෙස්ටෝරන්ට්
සෝඳ බැලුවට කමන්නේ.
හරි.
කලවල මාමයි අන්න
මෙන්දී හදන්නේ.
ඒක මේ ෆිෂ් එක හෙඩ් බෝන් දෙන බෝට් පුරා යයි
ස්මෝක් කරලා.
ඒක කීයද?
මේ 250
මොනවටද දාන්නේ? මොනවගේ කෑම?
කලබල
නෑ කෑම
කෑමට මේ ඔනියන් තියෙනවානේ ඔනියන් මිරිස් දාලා මික්ස් කරලා රොෂි තියෙනවානේ රොෂි රුටි එක දාලා රයිස් පේස්ට් දාලා
it makes the experience even more enjoyable when you can chat with the locals in your own language. And if you need to take your items on a flight, don't worry. Take a look at this. The locals are super helpful and they'll make sure your items are packed in a way that's perfect for travel. Just let them know that you're flying back and they'll take care of the rest. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're stocking up on some tuna, chocolate or cosmetics at STO Shopping Mall, or picking up some fresh Maldivian fish at the local market, Malé offers a shopping experience that you won't want to miss. The prices are reasonable, the quality is great, and the locals are friendly. It's definitely worth exploring. If you're planning a trip to the Maldives soon, make sure to add shopping to your itinerary. And remember, when you're buying groceries or other essentials, Malé has you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping time! Bye bye!